If you are a single parent and want to increase your income, all you need is a little motivation, and then you can do it yourself. Hey, welcome back to Thinking Lit. If you are a single parent, today we will let you know how you can increase your income. Before moving further, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss my upcoming videos. Being a single parent is not easy. You have to face all the challenges and hurdles of life alone. Single parents are often stressed and dealing with mental issues because of their low income. But if as a single parent you are strong enough to evaluate what you are doing and what you will be doing in the future will help you to deal with the financial crisis and increase your income. Life is all about getting started from zero and ending up as a hero. If you have enough courage and motivation to know what are your drawbacks and why you have failed in the process of increasing your income, then you will end up as a financially stable single parent. I'm not saying that it's easy to increase your income as a single parent, but just look around you. Many single parents have enough money and are financially stable. Just believe in yourself, keep doing the things you are good at, and know your strengths. Believe me, you just need a little motivation to do the accurate things which will help you to increase your income. Gauge your current career. When you are a single parent and you want to know what will be your financial condition in the future, then just evaluate what you're doing now. Are you doing the perfect job? Are you satisfied with the work that you are doing? It will give you an idea how to deal with the financial crisis you are dealing with. Also, determine what you will need to be earning in the 10 years and also evaluate if you're satisfied with your salary and will it be enough for you to become financially stable shortly. Stay with your current career, but plan for growth. If you think there's a chance of growth in your current career, then don't try to adopt any other career, just give your 100% to your job. This will help you grow. Further growth can only be done by evaluating what you are earning now and what you will be able to earn in the future. The best thing you can do is keep in touch with your manager and keep reminding him that you want to grow. Reduce your expenses. Reducing your expenses will help you to save enough money for your financial growth in the future. Just remind yourself what you are earning and how much money you are spending daily. Spend money on the things which are necessary to buy and you're comfortable in buying that stuff. If you are living in an area where rents are high, then just move to an area where rents are cheap. Change your single parent mindset. If you want to become financially stable, the best thing you can do is change your single parent mindset. Just focus on your goals and keep reminding yourself that you want to become financially stable. The first and most essential step to earning more profit, retaining extra money, investing more money, spending less money, and worrying less about money is to revamp what goes on between your ears. Do freelance work. If you have some skills and you know how to earn online by providing the services of the things that you're good at, this will help you to increase your daily income and monthly income. Many people are earning from doing freelance work. You should better do this if you have any skills. Look for high-paying jobs. When you're unemployed but need more finances for whatever reason, the first step you should do is reduce expenses. That's fantastic, and you should do it. Nevertheless, the primary and most successful strategy to have more money in your pocket is to put more effort into your work. It's not impossible to earn money as a single parent if you know what you are doing and you know your strengths. Single parents have to deal with many good and bad things alone, but that does not mean that you should focus on your goals. Just believe in yourself, work harder, search for more opportunities, try to figure out different sources of income, methods to become financially independent. It's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video interesting, provide us with your valuable feedback. Plus, you want to suggest a topic for the next video? Feel free to tell us. See you in the next video. And until then, stay tuned to Thinking Lit.